Good morning, everybody. It's Harry Swaminathan. I wanted to recap our GMCR and Google adjustments that we made today. Let's see, the market started down a little bit, and then it's now it seems to be mildly positive. But what we did, let's look at our GMCR first. So what we did was we had a profit of how much was it? 1300, 1200 on the 75 put. So we closed that. We closed this one, and we opened a new one at the 77.5, and you can see even that's up a little bit. But this is in next week, so we have 11 days to expiry. And what we have collected now in premium is basically the 2.42 and the 1.45. And of course, we booked a $1,200 profit here. So if we looked at the GMCR profile, the risk profile, this is what it is. And so, we are still here. Our shorts are obviously at 77.5. So we'll see what we need to do. We might need to adjust this given that GMCR is making a strong move. But let's take it one step at a time. Right now, it's close to the short straddle. And on the long straddle side, you can see that the calls have started to make money now. So the long straddle is there, and that's going to be our risk limiting trade. Whereas over the next 2 to 3 weeks, really, we're going to try to make whatever profit we can from this short straddle. So that's as far as GMCR is concerned. On Google, we took a loss of this position had a profit of about 1700 or so, and then now this morning we took a loss because Google has moved up nicely, and you can see our short side of the condor is at 850 and the long side is at 890. So right now Google is right in between, so it works very well. Now the long put that we had was basically an insurance, and we said we were willing to give up the entire 3000. However, what we've done is we've recovered about 1700 from there. So the net position on GMCR is that we've booked a profit of now we booked it three times. One is the first one was 1000, second one was 1300, and today we booked 1200. So our booked profit is 3500, but of course you can see the overall position is still at a loss, and that the whole goal is to make that up over the next 2 to 3 weeks. On Google, we had a booked profit of 4,500, and today we gave up 1,300. So our booked profit is now 3,200. So that's where we stand on these two positions. Apple's doing very well again today. Apple is up, I think, almost $9. Wow! So that's doing very well. We are up 12. We are up another 1,200. We've got a positive delta, so let's just leave this as is. The Chipotle's Mexican Grill is also doing well, and so that's also fine. Let's just leave it as is. The FedEx, we've got a booked profit of 425. Now what we'll do is we'll just manage that. We don't need to do anything to that. And Herbalife is a little down today, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. And what we have is a 2600. So we are still $100 up on this, but we want to make a little bit more. So that's as far as where we stand. On Tesla, we have a small profit of 275. So we're just going to leave that also as is. All right. So that's the update for this morning. Thank you very much.